Hello everyone, what's up? Everyone, Elbad here, and today's episode we're going to make the guards. And okay, so first of all, we need our A-star pathfinding project. So let's get into alangrindberg.com /a-star-font. Okay, this is his page. We have a lot of games. Think the A-star, some comments. Okay, so you want to get into the download and download the beta, because the free version, the normal free version, has a problem with the new Unity. Okay, so let's download, extract, drag it to your project, and here it is. And the second thing we want to do is to get into the document section, documents, and get into get start with A-star. Yes, and we have this code. Okay, so we're going to use this code later. So what we want to do is create new C# and let's call it no, excuse me. First of all, we need a new game object, empty. Let's put like dash A-star. Then after we sort it by name, we always on the top. And over here we want add component, pathfinding, and pathfinder. Yes. We don't want JavaScript support. Okay, so what we do is we need a graph. Okay, let's just reset it. We want grid graph, and the size is 100 on 100, 0 on 0, 0. Map size. Okay. Now we second. Okay, we have the settings. You can read all about on the over here. Okay, and what we want to do is the collision test. In mask, we want mask. Let's just add mask. We want for the cube, we want add layer, and let's say wall. Okay, we back to SR, and then our capsule, wall, and scan. And as you see, this place is not walkable. If we change it to nothing. Okay, so yes, I just talk nonsense and it. Okay. So sorry about that. Just a second, I'll be right back. I need to remember how to do it. Okay, so first of all, what I forgot is we need the ground to add the layer as ground, and the obstacle and the walls and layer wall. Okay, and then we go to our A-star game object. The collision test we want with wall. Come on. And the walkable place we want ground. Okay, and then we press scan, and the red is where we can't go. And if you do nothing, okay, you can play with those settings that says you put here 5. If you put over here 5, so this whole place is unwalkable. Put 1 on this, 0, it's nothing. Okay, so let's put just 1 and 2. Okay, it's kind of glitchy because it's beta and I don't know why, but it's supposed to be okay. So Now, what we want to do is to add our seeker. So the seeker needs to seek our player. So video object sphere and not sphere, sorry, a capsule. So this length called in guard. Now the guard needs a pathfinding, it needs a seeker. Okay, because E6 is a path. Okay, and now we want to make new C# let's call it a guard. Guard, sorry. Okay, and let's open guard. Now, as I said before, over here we want to copy this and let's just paste it. Is guard. Okay, so we have our position, and every time and on the start we'll have seeker.start path from his position to his target position, and we get our error or non-error over here, error or success. So let's just check if this is working. Let's open guard and assign guard is script command. Just choose guard. Okay, let's change it to a transform and over here dot position. Okay, and let's look from above. Let's say that guard needs to seek our player. Okay, let's choose now. Let's choose our player and team over here, and guard needs to seek player. Let's play, and as you see, the green line over here, it is that. Okay, this part. Now we want our seeker to move. We have okay, so we have more complex code over here. Let's just copy. Do it in order to save time. And this is regard. So we have target position, start, and everything we had before, but now we have fixed update also that will move our guard. Okay, so we also need character controller. That is there. And if we press play, end of path reached. And this is because we need overhead transform and over position. And then we'll assign the target position to be as the player position. Okay, so player and then move the thing, you can change its speed, higher, smaller, and etc. Okay, so now we want an array of positions. And from the start, we want to move to our first position. And if we're done with our position, let's do this. Let's just delete all those comments. Okay. Now we want our private int current target. Okay. And first of all, current target equals 0. When we are done, we have current target plus. Okay. Now we want recalculate. But what happens if our current target bigger or equal to target position dot count dot line. So we want target position equals 0. Now what will happen is we can make a boot pass for our guard, check if map is clear. Okay, so let's do it. Let's make another folder for quick steps. Okay, that's assign our player here. Okay, now we can delete and we still have our player. Also, let's put guard over here. Okay, so let's delete two without. So let's add like 2 cubes, one over here and one over here with y of 0. And let's say this is target 1, this is target 2. So we have two target positions. One is target 1 and the second is target 2. And let's see if this is working. Okay, and we have 2 errors. If the camera track player. Okay, so let's just take our camera. Let's make it preferred. And then let's delete it because currently looking over here. And then we see our guard walking over here. And then we have error. Cancel pass because the new okay. That's what is the problem. Let's check again. Then from 0 it jumps to 1. Okay. Here we have 0 and 1. This is 0 and pass. Then it's 1. 1 bigger or smaller than 2. Bigger or equal to 2. None. Where okay. Let's just debug.error of current target. And let's check. Yes. I'm making okay. And one but move. Okay, sorry, we need to stop it. Okay, so um, okay, that's weird. And then um, so I tried to fix it, and I see you guys later. Okay. Okay, so I think I found the problem. So if we do like this, it's a bit faster, and uh, then it the code doing this part twice. So what we can do is to make private rule is got your path, and over here is got my path equals to 2, and over here is if got new path. Okay, if we got new path, and now it equals to false. And let's see if this is working. Okay, let's again make it faster. And then this is 1, 2, going back to 0. And let's just delete this arrow. Let's make it faster like this. Okay. So if we want, we can make another target here and another target here, and then go make this 4 to be 3, and this one will be 4. Over here, we need to change target position dot left. Okay. And now, as we'll see, this one to go well good. Okay. So this was today's episode. The next episode we do also to field of view for the guard, and if we are intersecting with this field of view, something will happen. The guard will start chasing us until a specific amount of time, and if the guard will be close to us, then we'll lose, and if not, he'll get back to his route. So that was today's episode. Hope you guys enjoyed, learned something new, and leave a comment, subscribe, and bye.